Let us continue with next one. That is question number 4. So, which cycloalkane has the lowest heat of combustion per CH2 group? The options are cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, and cyclohexane. So, when it comes to cyclopropane, so in cyclopropane, the angle strain in cyclopropane, the angle strain is what? It is maximum. So when the molecule is highly strained, so one should know that when the molecule is highly strained, strained, when the molecule is highly strained, it is most unstable in its nature. So here the angle strain in cyclobutane. So when we consider cyclobutane, angle strain in cyclobutane is less as compared to cyclopropane. So when we tell that the cyclobutane angle strain is less as compared to that of cyclopropane, I can come to a conclusion that cyclobutane is stable than cyclopropane. So when I analyze with this, here the cyclobutane is stable. The stability of six-membered rings increases. Means up to six-membered ring, the stability goes on increases, and the stability decreases from 7 to 11 member rings. So when we analyze all these concepts from the given 4 options, option D, that is cyclohexane, has lowest combustion because cyclohexane is highly stable in its nature. So if it is highly stable, then its heat of combustion will be minimum. Hence, the correct answer is cyclohexane, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 5. When it comes to question number 5, in acetylene molecule, between the carbon atoms there are, so first let us write acetylene molecule. So this is acetylene molecule. They are asking between carbon atoms. Between carbon atoms, the upper bond is a pi bond, the lower bond is also a pi bond, and the middle bond is a sigma bond. Therefore, it has one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Hence, the correct option for the question is option B, that is one sigma bond and two pi bonds. Next one, question number 6. According to Bayes strain theory, which is highly stable? Cyclobutane, cyclopentane, cycloheptane, and cyclohexane. So one should know that according to Bayes strain theory, the amount of deviation, that is the amount of deviation D, is given by the formula D is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 degree 28 minutes. This is known as a tetrahedral angle due minus of valency angle. So on applying this formula, when I consider cyclobutane, in cyclobutane D is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 degree 28 minutes. The angle of cyclobutane is 90 degree, that is 9 degree 44 minutes. When it comes to cyclopentane, in cyclopentane D is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 degree 28 minutes. The angle in cyclopentane is 108 degree, so it comes out to be 0 degree 44 minutes. When I consider with cyclohexane, in cyclohexane D is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 degree minus 109 degree 28 minutes minus 120, because in cyclohexane the angle is 120 degrees, which is comes out to be 5 degree and 16 minutes. In the same way, when I consider cycloheptane, in cycloheptane D is equal to 1 by 2 into 109 degree 28 minutes minus of angle in cycloheptane is 135 degree, that is minus 9 degree 33 minutes. By all this, we can clearly understand that if deviation is less, that is if the amount of deviation, within the bracket I write it as D means deviation, if the amount of deviation is less, stability will be maximum. By this, I can clearly understand that the deviation in cycloheptane is minimum, that is minus 9 degree 33 minutes. Hence the correct answer is cycloheptane. This cycloheptane is given by the option C.